Hey all, in today's video I want to go through how to integrate Getresponse with Thrive Architect. My name is Richard and this is the School of Nomads. You can find me at theschoolofnomads.com. And just before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and then if you find this video useful, please pop me a like. If you want to learn how to make some money online by making short tutorial videos, check out the link in the description below. So let's jump straight over to my website and I'll take you through how to connect the Getresponse autoresponder directly to Thrive themes. So the first thing we need to do is when you go into your WordPress menu, is come down to the Thrive dashboard and then go to APIs and connections. If you hit manage connections, you'll then have this add new connection. So if you hit this here and select the app that you want to connect to, at this point we want to connect to Getresponse. So for the purpose of this, always hit version 3 and then we want to go and find this API key. So we need to go over to Getresponse and find the API key. So here we are over at Getresponse. I've already logged into my account. If you come up to the menu on the left hand side where the dots are, you'll see just near the bottom here, integrations and API. Just click on that, go into API here, the second one down, and then you'll find the API keys. You can generate your own API keys. So I've already generated some here. I'll go ahead and do another one. So I'll just call this Richard's demo, and then you generate it. And then that's the API key that we need to use. So just go ahead and copy that and then jump back over to your website and then just paste that where it says API key here and press connect. So there you are, Getresponse connection is ready. Just a quick word of warning from myself is make sure you pick version 3 because then you'll be able to connect successfully. So the next step is to jump over to your page and then connect your page to Getresponse. So I'll just jump over to the page I've been working on. So this is the page I've been working on. Very simple page with a contact form up the bottom. So if I hit the email address section here, an options box will appear on the left hand side and then you'll see connect form to service. So go ahead and connect that form by hitting Getresponse here. Just hit that. You'll be asked which of your Getresponse lists that you want to add to this contact form to collect those leads. If nothing appears, but just hit reload lists here and then they'll appear. For the purpose of this, I'm going to attach my demo list and then just press continue. The form fields at the moment I want to collect are the email address. If I did want to add new form fields, I would add them here. At the moment I don't, so just press next. And then at this stage, I just want to reload the page, so just leave it on this option. In other videos, I'll show you how to redirect to a custom URL. But for the purposes of this, I just want to just press save, and then that's done. When people add their email address to this contact form on your list in Getresponse, it'll show on that list. So I hope you found that video useful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below. And any questions, you can find me at richard@schoolofnomads.com. Have a great day.